Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you my slime vending machine that I made. So yeah, but before I show you, be sure to subscribe to the Kawaii Slime Club and also comment down below if you like my machine. But before I get started again, I am filming outside, so sorry if you hear any background noise. So let's just get on with the video. Okay, so here is the beautiful vending machine that took a long time to make. But so I have the food coloring over here, food coloring over there. We got lotion here, glue, shaving foam, stir sticks, and the activator. And over here are the directions, so you guys can pause and read those if you want to. So first I'm going to be showing you how it works. So first I'm going to get my 50 cents, put it in the hole here, and then you just pull on this, and then the little container comes out that you use. So just take off the lid, and then over here just twist on this, and then the glue will start coming out. Just gotta twist it. So this did take a very long time to make. I was inspired by Squishy Boba Forever, so shout out to her. She makes the coolest vending machine. So yeah, for some reason this glue is like not coming out that well. Let me just twist it. Okay, here we go. So I'm not gonna get a lot of glue, but like enough. I hope that you guys can see. Alright, you guys can't really see, but here it is. So you just gotta kind of fill up the container a little bit and just get whatever amount of glue that you want, I guess. Okay, so that's how much glue I'm using, and then I'm gonna add some shaving foam. Now this part's optional, like you don't have to add that, but I am just gonna press on that, and that's looking like a good amount there. So I'm just gonna take one of the little stir sticks and just mix that together. Okay, and after I've mixed that together, I'm just going to add some food coloring. Now I'm gonna I'll pick, so there's a bunch of different colors over here. I guess I'll do green. So just grab that green food coloring, take it out, and then just put however many drops you want in there. I want mine to be like a light green. Okay, so that looks like a good color to me, I guess. I'm just gonna put the cap back on the food coloring. Okay. So here it is. The color's not really picking up on camera, but it's a darker green than on how it looks on camera. Okay, so then I'm going to add a little bit of lotion to it. Again, this part's optional, so you just want to slide it out. And then I'm just going to add a little bit, like that much. That's probably good. Okay, then just put it back into here. Okay, and I'm just going to mix that together. So again, like the shaving foam and lotion and food coloring are optional. Okay, now I'm going to add the activator. So the activator's over here, and all you're going to do is just add some like that. Just a little bit at a time though, so it can start coming together. Sorry if this video is a little long, but I'm just going to put a little more in. Okay, and then just going to keep adding until I get the slime texture I want. Okay, so here it is. Just gonna keep adding. And this, and for the activator, I'm using borax. And the borax recipe I'm using is 1 cup of warm water with 1/2 teaspoon of borax. So it's a little bit of a lighter borax mixture, but I really like it. It's really nice to use. So I'm just going to keep adding a little bit. And then it's turning into slime right now. So yeah. It takes a little bit for the slime to come together, but I really like it. So. And also comment down below if I should make another slime vending machine. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to try and touch it now. Okay. I'm just going to put the little spoon up here. So here's the slime. And it's still a little sticky, but I'll fix that later. But here's the slime. It's really fluffy, and I love the color, so I'm just going to put the lid on it. So now I'm going to show you the machine. So first, here I'll show you the inside of it now. So here's the inside, really simple. Sometimes the quarters do fall down. But here's just the activator bottle. I just have some more shaving foam over there. And that's where the money goes to right there. And yeah, it's just pretty simple. If you guys do want to make it and you want it to look like mine, and if you're making a video on it, please credit me for it. So yeah, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!